Welcome back to Ketelsen RV. Today we are going to be talking about the sanitation side of camping. We have several different options to choose from as far as paper, chemical, and hoses. Let's go ahead and start at the beginning, treating your tank. So we have the liquid, we have the drop-in packets. Now you may have a need for the drop-in as far as storage, compatibility with your tank. We also have the liquid where we can set this, fill up your tank, fill up your gray tank with this, control odor, breakdown. It's all for health of the tanks, the sensors, the valves, lubricates everything. Now we also have different kinds of paper here, RV paper. This right here will break down much easier in your tank. That way you can avoid those costly repairs of valves plugging up, your tanks plugging up, and building up that solid matter in your tank that we unfortunately will have to rectify. Now when it comes to hoses, there are several hoses out there. I'm not going to say one's better or the other. There are some out there for the weekend camper that you just need to empty your tank after a few days of camping. And there's some of you campers out there that have extended stays where you're wanting a more durable hose that's crush proof, that bounces back. This will take that beating of dragging across the parking lot through the bumper, and you won't have to worry about having a sprinkler system on your lot. All of this here is designed just for the health of your tanks, keep you out, making your camping experience good. So if you have any more questions, feel free, give us a call over here. And remember, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one.